Wishing you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. In this video, we are going to bake an easy, tasty and healthy cake which is apt for all celebrations. This cake can be relished and shared among friends and family members without any guilt feeling of exceeding the calorie limits during the festive seasons. Welcome to my channel, Vidya's Ideas. Thank you for joining my community. If you're new here, then don't forget to smash that subscribe button and also hit that bell icon to receive all the updates. For our cake, first let's prepare the dry ingredients. We need 1 whole and 1/3 cup of rolled oats or traditional oats, half teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of sea salt. Give it a good mix and keep it aside. Now, let's prepare the wet ingredients. We need 1 whole and 1/3 ripe bananas. These bananas will add the sweetness to our cake. Hence, ensure that they are ripe. Mash them until they are mushy. Add the mashed bananas into a mixing bowl. To it, add 1 cup of soya milk. Then add 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. Also add 1 tablespoon of honey. Now add 1 tablespoon of sunflower seeds along with 1 tablespoon of raisins. Finally, add half teaspoon of vanilla essence. Give it a good mix. You can also add other seeds or nuts of your choice. Now, it is time to combine the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients. I have already greased my baking pan. Now, let's layer the bottom with a baking sheet. Pour the cake batter into the baking tray. Sprinkle a handful of almond slivers. Gently even the batter surface with the help of a spatula. Let's bake this cake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 to 40 minutes. Our healthy cake is ready if the toothpick comes clean. Let it cool down for 10 to 15 minutes. Separate the edges of the cake from the pan with the help of a butter knife. Flip it onto a plate and tap the pan to release the cake from the pan. Our delicious, easy, yummy and healthy cake is ready. Relish the goodness of this cake with your family and friends. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you soon. Until then, Vidya, signing off. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to all.